As we are talking about making money on YouTube, you should understand that you have to create videos and upload them on YouTube. All your videos must be original, exciting so that you can get a good number of views. Creating videos is not that hard. You can create a video even with your smartphone. If you want to be more professional, you can buy a high-quality camera and professional video editing software. Number 1. Make money with YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program comes on the top of the list to make money from YouTube. Most people who make money on YouTube earn through partner programs only. You need to create your own YouTube channel and upload exciting videos to your channel. Once you have completed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the previous 12 months, you can apply for YouTube Partner Program. Many YouTubers make millions through partner programs. There are even examples like Charlie Bit My Finger, where only one video of 1-2 minutes makes millions every year. Even an average or part-time YouTuber earns $500 to $1,000 per month without any problem. We have written a complete guide to making money using the partner program here. This guide will explain to you everything like how to make quality videos, how to get more views and grow subscribers, how to place ads in your video, etc. You can also refer to this list of the 40 best YouTube video ideas to find the most popular and trending ideas on YouTube. Number 2. Make money by starting a blog. If your channel is based on topics like how-to, technical, cooking, TV programs, movies, or anything that people search on Google, it's a good idea to start a blog and make money with your blog too. You don't need any new content ideas for the blog. Just convert your videos into textual content and post them on your blog. Then you can use this in 2 ways. 1. Add your blog link in the video description so that people interested in the text version can go to your blog and read it. 2. You can get organic traffic from Google or Bing when people search for the keywords you are targeting in your content. Starting a blog is simple and does not take much time. You can make additional income cash from your blog through Google AdSense or affiliate programs. If you want to take your blog to the next level, you can use SEO techniques or promote it on social platforms. Number 3. Make money with affiliate marketing. If done correctly, making money on YouTube can give better earnings than the YouTube Partner Program. Just join an affiliate program related to your niche and promote it from your videos. There are 2 types of YouTube audience. One who likes to watch videos related to entertainment like movies, songs, humor, and information like news, etc. 2. The second type of audience who watch the videos to get solutions to their problems like health and finance, legit reviews of products, how-to videos, etc. You can make excellent affiliate income from the second category. You can create solutions for such people. You can try different YouTube keywords tools to help you find keywords that you can target for your video. There are hundreds of best affiliate programs and affiliate networks like Amazon, Max Bounty, ClickBank, CJ, Flex Offers, etc. You can find products related to any industry. You need to do the proper research and provide only the legit solutions, otherwise people will not trust you and give negative feedback. You can insert affiliate links directly in the description part of your video. Make sure to use proper tags, title, and description to rank your videos in YouTube. Number 4. Direct sponsorship and brand deals. If you receive a good number of views on your channel, many sponsors will approach you for sponsored video. The best part of sponsorship is receiving the total amount without splitting it with YouTube. Direct sponsorship is more profitable than affiliate marketing and YouTube ads. Sponsors will advertise their products to your target audience through your videos. Getting sponsors is not difficult today. Companies and influencer marketing companies will approach you directly through your email. You need to add your business email account in the About section of your channel. You can also get brand deals to become a brand ambassador of a particular product or merchandise. The power of your brand value on YouTube will help you sell products to your audience. Number 5. Make money with local marketing. This one is the gold mine. You can make a full-time living using this method if you do it professionally. There are tens of thousands of local business in your area that does not have any or much online presence. Just contact such businesses and ask them to create a video describing their business, products, and services and upload them on YouTube to get an online presence. Convince them how this can make a positive impact on their business. Be it a local restaurant, a real estate agent, a saloon, a cake shop, or any local business owner. Just get out of your home and come to the nearby street, and you will find hundreds of such local businesses in a 1 km circle. It would help if you were professional here. Contact these business owners and show the advantage of how he can grow his business online and beat their competitors. You can easily make between $2,000 to $3,000 per month this way. How much you will charge monthly, yearly, or one time, what strategies to use, etc. will come only through experience. So get into the business and start making some more money on YouTube. Number 6. Selling physical products and merchandise. Once you have become an established YouTuber with loyal followers and subscribers, then you need to think of creating and selling your own product. In affiliate marketing, you promote on others' behalf, but here you are going to create your own product first. Then do some market research and finally promote it through your videos. Creating your own branded merchandise like t-shirts, caps, mugs, etc. can be challenging if you don't have necessary funding. What you can do is create some videos regarding your merchandise and check out views and comments your video receives. If they are hearting enough, then you can go ahead with creating your own products. You can raise money through crowdfunding on crowdfunding websites like Kickstarter. You can sell your products through giving a link in your videos. Number 7. Selling digital products. If you cannot create physical products because of a lack of funding, you can sell digital products on your YouTube channel. Digital products are a lot easier to create and sell. In fact, you can create them for free. Digital products are downloadable products like ebooks, podcasts, videos, software, etc. I would suggest you create tutorials in the form of ebooks and videos. You can quickly sell them to your audience, leveraging the power of your brand.